List of cheapest pickup trucks in 2023. Buying guide to affordable models. Thanks to the current cost of living crisis, automakers seem to be raising their prices on a daily basis, which is leaving many of us a bit disheartened. However, we have a list of excellent pickup trucks that should certainly pique your interest. So if you want to know what the cheapest pickup trucks 2023 has to offer are, keep watching this video. Starting with the most expensive on the list. The 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited WT, priced at $38,195. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 got massive technological and interior improvements for the new model. With a starting price that is thousands of bucks less than the typical new vehicle pricing, the pickup's base WT trim rounds out the list of the least expensive trucks. That price includes a 2-door regular cab with room for 3 people and a standard bed setup. A 4-door double cab or crew cab, which seats 6, is also available. In terms of the powertrain, a mighty 355 horsepower 5.3-liter V8 is available and can be paired with an 8 or 10-speed automatic transmission. The base WT comes with a standard turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission with 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-feet of torque. All WT versions come standard with rear-wheel drive, while all-wheel drive is an option. Before you start wondering if $38,000 is actually cheap, remember that despite weighing in at almost 6,000 pounds, the V8 model can still do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. That's 6 seconds in a pickup. The Silverado 1500 WT's 5.3-liter V8-equipped vehicles have a maximum towing capacity of 9,900 pounds. The EPA has estimated that the combined fuel economy of Silverado 1500 models with the 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood is 20 miles per gallon, compared to 19 mpg for versions with the V8 engine. 2023 Jeep Gladiator, priced at $37,375. Even though it's anticipated that the 2023 Jeep Gladiator will largely be a carryover model, we'll keep hoping for the Gladiator 4xe or a new V8 engine. The truck still resembles its 2019 model in many ways. The biggest upgrade is the Freedom Special Edition, which takes the place of the Altitude trim in the lineup and is somewhat more expensive but has more standard amenities. The Freedom variant features body-color fender flares, winch-capable steel front and rear bumpers, steel rock rails, LED headlights, and fog lights. The interior is completed with leather-trimmed fabric seats and black accent stitching. The 2023 Jeep Gladiator's manual transmission and diesel engine availability are standout features. The 3.0-liter V6 EcoDiesel engine has 260 horsepower and 442 pounds-feet of torque. The 3.6-liter V6 engine in the Gladiator generates 285 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque. This midsize vehicle takes 8.5 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Gladiator has rapid acceleration and smooth transmission. Due to its longer wheelbase, it rides smoother than the Jeep Wrangler, even though it might handle more precisely. Car experts pointed out that the Gladiator has a rough ride, but the vehicle's unequaled off-roading abilities are made possible by the solid front axle. The new Jeep Gladiator can pull up to 7,650 pounds as well. 2023 Kia pickup truck, priced at $34,996. The 2023 Kia pickup truck doesn't have an official name yet, but speculations have arisen and rumors are brewing about there being a possible pickup truck from the automaker. Under the hood, the 2023 Kia truck isn't going to disappoint. There are 2 options currently, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and 2.0-liter turbo, also with 4 cylinders. The 2.4-liter one can spin up to 180 horsepower, which is not a lot when pickup trucks are talked about. Both engine options come with 6-speed automatic transmission. Buyers can choose from front and all-wheel drive, which is a great option. The much-sought 2023 Kia pickup truck looks dashing on the outside. This might be since it takes after its close cousin Sportage. There's no doubt that the pickup truck is going to turn some heads. There are a lot of angles and lines that make it look modern, and some accents on the exterior to make it look aggressive, which is what a pickup truck should look like. 2023 Nissan Frontier S, priced at $30,485. The Nissan Frontier has better capability, technology, and comfort since its redesign in 2022 compared to the vehicle from the previous generation. With a starting price slightly over $30,000, Nissan's midsize pickup is among the most affordable pickups. Both a 4-door crew cab and a 2-door king cab with 4 seats are offered in the base S trim. A 3.8-liter V6 that's been introduced for the 2020 Frontier powers all versions. The V6 engine has 310 horsepower and 281 pounds-feet of torque. It comes with standard rear-wheel drive and optional 4-wheel drive and is paired with a 9-speed automated transmission. The EPA estimates the Frontier's combined fuel economy in the base S model with the rear-wheel drive to be 20 miles per gallon. This also allows the Frontier to tow with a maximum capacity of 6,720 pounds with a payload cap of 1,600 pounds. 2023 GMC Canyon, priced at $28,595. It is pretty hard to find a cheap mid-size truck with full-size truck capability, but having a base price tag of $28,595, the 2023 GMC Canyon has a lot of additional options and great towing capacity. The higher trims have a 308 horsepower V6 engine under the hood, while the base model has a turbo diesel inline-4. The Canyon excels in rocky terrain and towing. Its maximum towing capacity is an amazing 7,700 pounds, while its payload capacity ranges from 1,599 to 1,605 pounds. The top version of the GMC Canyon has ventilated and heated leather upholstery, along with an amazing Bose 7-speaker sound system to keep the adventure going for those who prefer luxury. In hilly terrain, the automatic locking rear differential enhances traction. 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR, priced at $28,585. The versatile TRD Pro for off-road enthusiasts is one of many versions of the midsize Toyota Tacoma that will be available in 2023. Customers who choose price over off-road capability can opt for the entry-level Tacoma SR instead of the top-of-the-line model. The SR is available as a 4-door double cab and a 2-door access cab with seating for 5 people each. The 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine in the SR's base model is paired with a 6-speed automated transmission to provide 158 horsepower and 180 pounds-feet of torque. Buyers can upgrade to a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which produces 278 horsepower and 265 pounds-feet of torque. The base engine offers the best fuel economy with a combined EPA rating of 21 miles per gallon with standard rear-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive is an option. The Toyota Tacoma SR's towing capacity maxes out at 6,400 pounds and can haul up to 1,155 pounds. 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz, priced at $26,745. The pocket-friendly crossover truck bugs Hyundai and intrigues the automaker to make the Hyundai Santa Cruz. The all-new 2023 Santa Cruz sports an SUV unibody construction, which limits the storage capacity to 4 feet. This is partly because of the front-wheel drive, powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 191 horsepower. This amazing truck gives you a comfy ride, much like a vehicle, but it won't give you any points for driving a masculine truck. Potential buyers can consider the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz if they're looking for quick handling in a small size. For extra torque, you can upgrade to the 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with a dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, which generates 251 horsepower. By doing this instead of the Santa Fe, as most people think, you get to experience driving an SUV like the Hyundai Tucson, on which the Hyundai Santa Cruz is based. You gain a maximum towing capability of 5,000 pounds for its hauling capabilities compared to the regular Santa Cruz's maximum towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. The Hyundai Santa Cruz can tow just as much weight as the Ford Maverick, but it shines in the interior department. The cabin rates are among the best in the mid-sized truck market. 2023 Ford Maverick, priced at $23,000. Another option is the Ford Maverick, which offers good city driving dynamics, off-road prowess, respectable fuel economy, at a low starting price. The 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automated transmission is where things get interesting. There are 3 trim levels available for the Ford Maverick, which is based on the Ford Bronco Sport. The base grade includes a hybrid drivetrain that generates 191 horsepower from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an electric motor. The Ford Maverick is a city car owing to its crossover shape and its compact size compared to other trucks on this list. The hybrid Maverick with a 4.5-foot bed has a payload capability of 1,500 pounds and a towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. Most families that purchase a Ford Maverick are content thanks to some of the really cool features like automatic emergency braking and adjustable lumbar support. The turbocharged model offers a 4,000-pound towing capacity, so you should definitely upgrade. Although the suspension isn't the best in its class, it still gives you a comfortable ride in the city and getting good gas mileage too. All of these trucks should offer good value for money, but if you want to know more about one of the best pickups you can buy, then click the video on your screen to see why people are loving the Mitsubishi Triton.